Want to know what smart leaders are doing differently this year? Here's a hint. They are not waiting to be told what to do next. They are already investing in the coaching trends that will define the next decade of leadership. Hi, I'm Smita, an executive coach, personal empowerment life coach, 3-time TEDx speaker, and someone who has had the privilege of coaching leaders just like you to communicate with confidence, lead with impact, and thrive in careers they love. Today, I'm sharing the 5 executive coaching trends smart leaders are already paying attention to. If you are not paying attention to them, you might just fall behind. If you are ambitious, future ready, and committed to staying ahead, not just in your role, but in your impact, this video is for you. Number 1, executive presence and communication will be non-negotiable. The best leaders are no longer just decision makers. They are narrators of vision. Smart leaders are now investing in executive presence, storytelling, and high impact communication coaching because the ability to command a room, align teams, and influence stakeholders is what truly sets them apart. In fact, I would argue this. In today's world, you are only as powerful as your communication. Number 2, mid-career professionals won't wait. They will build their own breakthroughs. Gone are the days when you waited around for a promotion. Smart mid-career professionals have been proactively investing in coaching to build their own opportunities. Whether that means creating visibility within the organization, pivoting to new roles, or launching something of their own. This is only going to accelerate in the future. These leaders are saying, I'm not stuck. I am ready. What will make me better prepared? And they're acting before that stagnation sets in. Number 3, results-driven coaching will outperform open-ended conversations. Smart leaders want transformation, not therapy. Which is why shorter, high-impact coaching programs are replacing long, meandering engagements. What's trending now? Clear outcomes, laser focus, tangible results. Think, in 90 days, I will speak with more authority. Or, by next quarter, I will lead strategic conversations with clarity. Coaching will become less about exploring and more about executing. And the leaders who thrive will demand that level of precision. Number 4, soft skills will become the new power skills. In the future, leadership won't hinge on just technical expertise. It will depend on how well you can influence, adapt, and lead with emotional intelligence. The smartest professionals are already building these invisible muscles: self-awareness, empathy, resilience, adaptability, because they know these are the traits that separates good managers from great leaders. Soft skills aren't optional anymore. They are the currency of future leadership. Number 5, AI will elevate coaching, not replace it. AI is here. It has been here since yesterday. But no, coaches aren't being replaced. They will not be replaced. What's changing is the expectation. Smart professionals now want AI-enhanced coaching. That means insights backed by data, whether it's communication analysis, leadership 360s, or productivity diagnostics, paired with the human intelligence of a coach who truly gets them. The trend? Coaches who combine tech with empathy will become indispensable. If your coach isn't using tools to bring more clarity, precision, or accountability into your sessions, they are missing a trick. And so are you. So, what does this mean for you? If you are a leader who wants to stay relevant, respected, and results driven, these trends aren't just interesting, they are essential. Here's a question for you to reflect on today. Which of these 5 trends are you already embracing, and which one is calling for your attention right now? Staying future ready isn't about doing more, it's about choosing better. And smart leaders, they always choose before they are forced. Don't be forced into taking up coaching. Choose to go for it now. If this video resonated with you, give it a like, share it with a colleague, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this widely in your network because I share strategies like this every week to help you lead with confidence and thrive in a meaningful career you love. And if you're ready for personalized support to grow as a future ready leader, book a strategy session through my website now. That was all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.